These Bahco ratchets are snap-on dual 80 internals. So here is the 1/4 inch factory. Here's the 3/8 inch factory. Here's what I modified. 1/4 inch body, 3/8 inch internals. So what I did is I went on a snap-on truck and I asked for the conversion kit for the T72 72 tooth dual 80 1/4 inch ratchets. Then came with the faceplate, came with a new anvil, new selector, and the little teeth in here. Very easy. Drop in, drop out. There it is. So if you guys need 3/8 sockets and a 1/4 inch body, they do work on the Bahco ratchets. So